Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to your computer. First, make sure your headphones have enough battery. If they are on, power them off completely. Then, press and hold the power button for about 5 to 7 seconds until you see a rapidly blinking blue light or hear a voice say, Bluetooth pairing. This makes your headphones discoverable. Also, ensure they are not already connected to another device. Now, let's connect to your computer. Open your computer's settings and find Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure Bluetooth is switched on. Click Add Bluetooth or other device, then select Bluetooth. Your Sony headphones should appear in the list. Click on them to pair. Once connected, you will see a status indicating Connected Voice Music, confirming successful pairing. Experiencing issues? First, try toggling your computer's Bluetooth off and on again. Double-check that your headphones aren't connected to another device, like your phone. It's also a good idea to update your computer's Bluetooth drivers and operating system. If problems persist, perform a hard reset or initialize your headphones to clear previous pairing information. Finally, confirm your computer's sound output is set to your Sony headphones. If Bluetooth isn't ideal, you can always use a wired connection. Simply take the 3.5mm audio cable that came with your headphones. Plug one end into your headphone's audio jack, typically on the left ear cup. Then, insert the other end into your computer's headphone port. It's best to power off your headphones for wired use to save battery. Remember to select the wired headphones as your computer's sound output device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.